Good morning. Today we're going to make a very interesting omelette, roti, paratha, breakfast, egg roll, all in one. What you need for this is 1 cup of flour, atta, 1 grated potato, 1 egg, and the masalas going in are half a teaspoon of jeera, dhania, chili powder, that's coriander, cumin, chili powder, chilies, and half an inch of grated ginger, a bit of salt, and if you have some amchur, a sprinkle of amchur. So let's get cooking. Now into this grated potato goes the atta, 1 cup. Put in all your condiments, the salt and the masalas and the chili, and you can put in amchur and coriander as well. And then we're going to just add in the water and make a runny batter. Remember the egg. Trying to do it, that's the egg going in, and then we're just going to beat this whole mixture up. Hot pan, put some oil. I like to paint the base of mine. And let it cook. And there you have it. Lovely, yummy aloo paratha made in about 10 minutes. Unbelievable. No need to boil the potato. There you go.